Good morning, friends. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the interview preparation and what exactly the benefits if you prepare for interview. So, people normally write an examination and they will be waiting for any kind of interview, and they will be in a dilemma that whether the cutoff will be up or whether the cutoff will be down. But let me tell you guys, interview is such a thing. Everywhere in any kind of job, wherever you go, you will have a personal interview over there. So that interview will help you in building maximum. They can analyze you, and this is one thing you have to prepare prior going to any kind of interviews. Let us see what exactly the preparation has have to be made and what exactly in this slides it has been given. So you can directly have a look. This is one thing. Before going to the job, try to find out what exactly you are the job applying for, and what exactly the history of the job. And you have to prepare some content that is mandatory. That content is irrespective of whether you are making it in a hard and soft copy, and you have to make in such a manner the whole content has to be ready prior going to the interview. Even that comes irrespective of the resume or whatever the material or whatever the interviewing questions be asked in interview. And rest, we should have the communication skills. It is mandatory to have a good communication skill with which you can directly have a good conversation with them and without any kind of hesitation. Once you have the proper communication skills in front of the interviewer, that will facilitate you to have the maximum in your whatever the career. You will not have any kind of hamper. So that communication skills are mandatory. And in the case of dress code is one thing, you must have the dress code, which is very important. If you have the good physique, and automatically that physique will help you in a good dress code as well. So if your physique is bad, then you will have the bad impact even by wearing whatever, irrespective of any kind of dress code. So maintain your health, have a good physique, and you have to be punctual the moment you have been called to attend on the same day or whatever, irrespective of the time. You have to be prior to that place at least half an hour prior, and you should be honest during the interview. You can't give any kind of irrelevant matters, and you can't lie during that time. So you have to be honest, and you should have the confidence in speaking and bold enough to speak in front of the people. Should not have any kind of fear. If you don't know, then no worry. If you know the content, then it is very important to be confident in front of the interviewer. You should be to the point. If you don't know what exactly to be expressed over there, if you are not to the point, they can recognize you. If you are irrelevant, you are not giving the proper explanation to them, it means there is something which is lagging behind you. You can't make something irrelevant and circumlocute during that time. So you have to be exactly to the point, and you have to be straight. It can't be leaning back or leaning maximum forward. You have to be straight, and you have to be comfortable. Don't stiff your body, and you have to maintain those decorum in front of the interviewer. And finally, once you have everything is done, and that is salutation has to be given initial time of the interview while entering the door, that is with the good morning or good evening, whatever the situations we have, better to say with the start good morning only. And while coming back after the interview, everything is done. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask that question. If they are offered something, then thanks during the conclusion of the interview. This is what exactly you have to remember during the interview process. So let us see what exactly we should have before going to the interview, and what exactly it helps in the interviewing process. That is personality development. Personality development is such a thing that is our life. So you have to build up your personality in many ways. Example, as I had told, you must have the physique. That means health and body, everything has to be balanced. So mind and soul, everything, it has to be balanced. You have to do some yoga, jogging, meditation, cycling, skipping, whatever the skating, whatever the sports you are aware of it. So please have these physical exercises in your daily life. even swimming also one of the finest one if you can. So these are the few things you have to maintain your health properly, take balanced food, do some yoga and all. That meditation Om mantra will help you a lot in your vocal cord. And the turnout, obviously, once your physique is very nice, you're not even fat or lean, that will help you a lot. If your physique is good, your body structure is good, then you can directly go for whatever the, irrespective of whatever the colors or whatever the fashion or trend, you can have the clear size of your dress to be fit on your body. So the turnout has to be good, automatically it improves, and you have to be reliable. So this is one thing. That personality is something like you have to be reliable with the people, you have to be sincere, you can't be cheating against something. So you have to be reliable to each and everyone. That will help you a lot in recognizing in the society. Rest, we have responsibility. This is one thing, whatever the task has been given, irrespective of your mother or boss, whoever in your school or college, you have to maintain your responsibility and you have to fulfill that, and you have to give the completion report or any kind of pending regarding that. If I'm giving you one task, you have to work upon that, and you have to give the status of that report. So that is to be mandatory. If you think that, sir, we want to have a little bit guidelines, you can directly go through the playlist. You will have the interview session of separate whatever the playlist, you can have a look in that. So prepare yourself, and if you have any kind of curious, you can ask. And that is, next we have the time management. This is one of the main factor in your personal life. If you can't manage the time properly, it means you are a failure, because managing time is something extraordinary in your life. We have only 24 hours, but how the constructive way of working you will be doing. So there are people who will be just sitting and listening whatever the educational content. There are people who will be sitting as well as writing whatever the points they are telling in that video. That will be noting down on the pen and paper. With the pen and paper, important points will be noting down. I am not telling to note down each and everything. I am telling whatever you feel that I cannot remember those and they are very important, those points can be noted down. And there are these type of time management activities have to be done. And pleasing manners, you should have something like convincing manners, and the way you speak with the people, the way you please with the people, the way you convince or the way you grab the information from other people, that is one thing you must have. You have to be smart enough. That smartness is something, wherever you go, you should have the ability to convey, you have the ability to accomplish the task. That smartness is to be mandatory. So these are all few things. There are various things. If I explain, personality development is something that is what you have to change, because this is your life. Next, what exactly in the personality development do's and don'ts have to be. In the case of do's, you have to be kind enough with the people, you can't be arrogant. And next you have to be happy and confident during the whole situations, irrespective of any kind of circumstances. And you should be polite with the people, and that is one thing mandatory. Amicable, yes, you should have the friendly relationship with the people. That amicable relationship will help you a lot. You have to be energetic, that is you have to be lively and energetic. Any kind of task has been given, you have to accomplish it in a given period, and you have to be enthusiastic to accomplish that task. And encourage as well as appreciation. Encouragement is such thing, if your juniors are there, whoever is done good job, you have to be encouraging irrespective of their work, as well as you have to be appreciative, like their job is commendable. I had seen the students who have given the questions by waking up to 1 o'clock, and I was very happy with their efforts. That efforts are worth it. That is the reason whatever the question papers have been explained, I am very happy that there are few students, they really required that dedication as well, that commendable for that commendable work, they have to be given the job, because their whatever the dedication towards giving and helping others nature, that will help, that will take them to higher levels. So you have to be encouraging and appreciative. And next we have the positive attitude we should have in this personality development. Always have the positive and spread the positive vibes wherever you go. You have to be named with the positive and optimistic girl or boy, so that is mandatory. Be optimistic, and whatever you are doing, think in a different constructive way. That should not go in vain. Even one thing, if you have any kind of passion, you can follow your passion and construct day by day in an optimistic manner. And learning is something you have to learn, keep on learning something new, keep on growing something towards what exactly you can make. Keep on learning new things, irrespective of whether it is personality, language, or whatever the new things like skating, hoverboard. Even at the age of 35, 32, I used to do some skating and all. Like this one thing, everybody wants to learn some new things like hoverboard, everything, whatever you want to make out. Even I have made near about 1200 videos. With this one thing, I am still learning to do something good in YouTube. So that is what learning nature has to be there. And what exactly should not have, like give up attitude, sir, the cutoff level is more and there is something which is bad happening with us. So these are all negative things. If there is any chance of cut down or whatever the level you have, that will be monitored by the board. If you are selected, then are you ready for any kind of interview? No. If you are not ready, I am very sorry. In that case, you will be out of this places. So please remember, don't have this kind of give up attitude. Have the positive attitude. Everything is monitored by someone. And egoistic nature, like people are introvert personalities, whatever the information they have known, they don't want to share with the people because they want to get succeeded. Sharing the information with the people doesn't make them success. If you don't work hard and they work less hard, then different case. If you work hard, then irrespective whether you share it or not, whether they are working or not, whoever is exhibiting, they will be succeeded. And you have to be like, you can't be short tempered. It is one thing, you can't yell at someone, you can't be short tempered. You can only tell them to do something good to improve their whatever the communication skill or whatever the lagging behind. You have to help them to do something good towards this short temper. So you can't be short tempered. And lazy and pessimistic and impatient, so this is one thing which is a bad thing in your personality, directly hampers in your life. You can't be lazy, and you can't be in everything. You'll start finding pessimistic, sir, this is happening wrong with me, and we want to have something. That is one of the worst thing in your life, that you are focusing on the problems, not on the solutions. And impatient, having no persistence, so they just quit. They want to full stop everything. So that is impatient people. They don't have any kind of persistence. So those people they lag in their career. Worry about the future problems. This is one thing at present what exactly the people have. They are bothered about the future, whatever the bad consequences. They are not bothered about the good consequences. So this is one thing which is very bad in the personality development. And being aggressive and misguidance. So this is, we knew that whenever you are aggressive, obviously you will take the wrong decisions during the time of anger. So that is one thing very bad. And misguidance, so it is very bad to misguide someone. So irrespective of any kind of cutoff you have to focus on next level, because you have written this exam. You may be get selected, you may rock in the next level. So don't think of whatever the cutoff has been given, whatever the comments are being passed. Though that cutoff, that slab will be different irrespective of whatever you get. If you got selected into the list, so please have a look in your interview level and prepare as per that. Life comparing with others, it is one thing very bad, as well as it directly hampers your health, and you will be having bad effects on your body if you compare with others. That is, comparing with others is very bad. Gossiping and time wasting, this is one thing. If you start gossiping as well as wasting of your time, that directly leads to somewhere there is as you can see, gossiping is time wasting, and chatting and all, these are all time wasting activities. It's a bad thing. And let us see what exactly. If you have any kind of need any assistance, sir, we need some little bit guidelines, you can directly call me. Though I am Indian Navy retired, so you can directly contact me. Feel free to contact. It's a free of cost. It's not like contacting doesn't make you inferior. So please go through this, whatever the slides have been given. If you feel that there is something you have to learn, you can directly call me. Next we have prepare the content. This is what exactly, before going to the interview, you have to prepare the content, go through the various videos and as well as Google. Prepare a PPT as well as Word document, and take the whatever the documents we have in hard and soft copy. That is one thing important. That content has to be wherever you are applying for the respective job. You should have known respective concerning personalities, whoever big shots, as well as in that field. Even the content behind the whatever the job profile, like history of that organization, you should have each and everything. What questions will be asked during the time of interview, that questions have to be compiled, and you have to prepare yourself, self introduction, family introduction, and strength and weaknesses, and whatever the questions will be asked respective of the professional manner. So next, have the mentor and scrutinize. Here have the mentor and scrutinize, like you should have the mentor who can scrutinize your whatever the task have been done, but prior to that you practice at home with the friends, parents, and then finally with the mentor. Check yourself in front of the mirror whether you are able to speak properly. This is one thing very important. If you can speak in front of your mirror with the eye movements, everything, the body expressions and everything, then that is a half success. Rest all, exhibiting whatever the content you have in your thought, that will come out during the time of interview, which is very easy to explain or present. Have the interview with the mentor in the final stage. So this is one thing. After working out whatever the content you have, once it is scrutinized by the mentor, then you have the interview with the mentor. Then he will figure out what exactly the mistakes you are doing, and you can have whatever the mistakes, you can work over it. Once you have worked upon those mistakes, and again you will have the final interview with the interviewer. That will help you a lot. Once you go there in the examination of final interview, you will get succeeded. These are few things which you have to adapt. If you don't go through all this, that is one thing, that is inefficient effort. That is your problem. Rest all you have to manage. And stress management is one thing you have to tackle upon. You should manage the stress level. We knew that the examination cutoff, whatever irrespective of the cutoff, you have to manage. You can't be panicked towards the result. So what exactly, if you can't manage, what exactly happens? Healthy life is mandatory. So this is one thing, healthy life by doing yoga, exercise and balanced diet and everything. So that will help you in a healthy life. Work pressure will be there. Obviously, irrespective of any kind of jobs, you will have a work pressure. So that work pressure, like studies as well as daily chorus, you will have whatever the chorus you have to complete. Irrespective of that, you have to keep on growing at some stages. Financial benefit, that is you should have for your daily requirements and progress, at least you must have some financial, like even if you want to progress in life, taking the printout of the whatever the soft copy you have, if you want that, at least for your progress, you must be having some financial thing. That is one thing. Thoughts, you have to be optimistic. If you can't do that, then stress management, like in this optimistic nature, that directly hampers you if you are a pessimistic attitude. Relationships, we knew that whatever the relationship with the other people, you have to be friendly. If they are rude also, you have to be, from your side, you have to be friendly. And environment, that is one thing you have to remember. Always keep on discussing the concerning to the constructive way, that is optimistic and positive vibes have to be there with your friends for the career progression, not in the cinema field or something like that. So that can be only for the entertainment of stipulated period, not like every time. So here busy schedules you have to learn to make and a day enjoyable. So you have to make those schedules, like in order to making busy schedule, like you have to make one time. It's like if you are a boy or girl, you can have your in a daily chorus, you can directly have education slot will be there. Once it is video watching, another is book referring, another is doing something in your daily activities and some exercises and all. You have to schedule in a such a manner. You have to enjoy that day. Have the mentor, you can share the goals with the mentor, then automatically you can be free from your whatever the doubts and stress. That is one thing important. Having the mentor is one of the finest thing in your life, who is ready to share whatever the experiences and whatever the problems, who is ready to resolve your problems. That is one thing. And you can even share your achievements or daily goals. That achievement is mandatory. And issues, if you have any kind of problem you are facing, that so that issues can be shared with the mentors. And learning to say no, you have to learn, and you have to learn to say no. Why the no? If you keep on working and if you keep on doing everything for others, it means somewhere something you are giving the time to the other people, that directly hampers your life and your progress. Next we have how exactly if you fail to manage the stress level. If you fail, then what exactly you will have the problems in your daily life. Check whether you have got these type of problems in your daily life. You will have the lacking of sleep, that is insomnia. But don't think that insomnia is not like waking up at 4 o'clock and early sleeping at 11 o'clock. That is not insomnia. It is insomnia is something like you may be having the problem in during whole night you may not get sleep. That is insomnia. It is not that you have an exam and you are not getting sleep. That is not insomnia. That is something which is waking you up to do something. Your brain is telling that to do something and to accomplish and to work hard. Insomnia is something like during the daytime you have worked hard, you have slept well, and it is no problem. In the night times it is no problem before the examination. That is common, but not in the everyday life. Next we have tiredness and fatigue. This is one thing, you feel tired and you feel fatigued, and it's very difficult to do any kind of job or any kind of work with the josh. That can be eradicated. That can be eradicated with the proper exercise and hard workouts. That will help you to hard sleep. Next we have the headache. Headache is something like you are sitting in front of the computer or mobile for the long period, near about 10 to 15 hours. That directly hampers your eyesight and you will get a headache. That is very bad thing. And you will have the frequent urination, one bad factor in it. That frequent urination also one type of stress level, we can say. That is one thing. And palpitation, as you can see, fluctuation of heartbeat you may have because you will have little bit gastric problems and you will have the heart fluctuations. So please you consult the doctor, cardiologist. They will do some ECG and all. That will help you if there is any problem in the heart movement. Next we have indigestion, acidity, heartburn and constipation. This is one thing. You will have the indigestion, that is no proper digestion. You will have your stool will be hard, acidity will be there, and heartburn will be there, as well as constipation will be there. It is very difficult. That may leads to the hemorrhoids. Please be careful with your diet as well as your daily and consumption of water. Next we have the dizziness. This dizziness you will have, as well as weakness you will have. You will be feeling weak and it's like no more enthusiastic to learn, and you lack the immunity system will be automatically goes down with the stress, and depression level will be more. This all leads to the directly for the men as well as women, you will have the impotence. This impotence factor will be there irrespective of whether you are men or women. So this stress will directly hampers your life. I request you guys to have a look in playlist. You can even share it to your friends, this YouTube channel, where you will find more than 2000 plus question papers of various examinations have been given, and it has been segregated into various playlists. As usual, it has been given with the GK, physics, chemistry, bio, computers, everything has been given. Have a look. You will enjoy this YouTube channel, and that will be very helpful for each and every person of your friend or your juniors or your seniors, irrespective of any job. Next, something why the group discussion will be conducted during the time of interview. This is how exactly this group discussion will be done and why it is done. The reason of conducting this group discussion is, as you can see to the right side, that is to identify the interviewer whether you have got the good communication skills, are you cordial with the group or team, whatever has been given, and team building, are you good enough in building the team, and have you got any kind of leadership qualities in you. If you are lagging, then what exactly they have to see all these things. And problem solving is, have you got any kind of this problem solving, are you smart enough to solve in that period. So you should know all this, what exactly the problem solving and everything. And next we have the decision making power. Have you got the decision making power? This decision making power is something which is very important. And problem solving as well as subject knowledge, whether you have got the knowledge in that subject, whether you are good in numbers, or like giving the years as well as percentage of the numbers, as well as terminology, usage of the terminology. If you are good enough in that, then it will be very nice. So, and the confidence level will be monitored by the interviewer, that is whatever the board is there. And next we have the exactly the making of the group will be given. Initially you will be having near about 8 to 10 people. So that group making will be there, and you will be given one topic and have the time management and let others to participate. So in this, time management is mandatory. It is not once you got the whatever the situation, you keep on speaking for the minutes. You have to pause somewhere. You have to give the opportunity to others to participate. Whatever the content you provide, speak 1 minute, but to the point. It has to be the maximum information has to be given. That is how we evaluate the students. And introduction has to be mandatory whenever you start giving regarding whatever the subject or topic, and the discussions will be there. And during that discussions, you should have the positive attitude, speak pleasantly. You can't be yelling someone or some aggressive manner. Allow others to speak and stick to the topic. This is important. Listening skills and nodding has to be there. You have to be attentive and nodding towards whoever is explaining, and respect other minds. So whoever has been given, don't be directly negative towards whatever the opinions. And someone has to summarize and explain to the interviewer whatever, be a leader in that and explain and summarize it in a proper manner. What exactly you should not do during the time of group discussions, that is, you can't be aggressive at someone, you can't lose your temper, and you have to be normal, and you can't be nervous during the time of interview, and you can't shout or yell at someone, and you can't be dominating all the times. These are very important. You have to remember during the discussions. And you have to be given, like, you have to give the chance to others. You can't interrupt the people during the time of while they are speaking while interview, whatever the group discussions. And you can't be irrelevant to the whatever the topic has been given. You can't take that topic to the different location. That is irrelevant matter, directly hampers the group discussion, then it affects your selection. And lie and misguiding, you can't lie. Some figures or numbers cannot be given without knowing anything, and you can't misguide the whoever the individual are present over there. So these are the few things which are to be improved. And what exactly you should, whether you must have the communication skills. Yes, you have to have the communication skill, and that is what exactly the improvement can be done with the how exactly I can improve the communication skills. There are various ways. Watching, that is, we knew that video watching, like we have news as well as a few English series we have. There are various things where vocabulary can be learnt. And reading and writing is one thing. We have various editions. Please go through, please scan through wherever the newspapers we find or magazines we find. That even nowadays all applications have come. You can directly go through the applications of current affairs. Wherever you feel that you can directly, in that books, you can directly find out the good terminology as well as words. You have to compile those words, and you have to work with those words, how exactly we can use those words. And listening and audio and video,
regarding motivation and all, that will help you a lot in learning the accent, as well as if you feel that these are the words have to be used in our daily life, so you can write down and practice on them. You can practice well and you can do better in your life, and that can improve automatically your communication skills. And you have to involve those words in your daily life. And terminology is something like words and phrases has to be used in between, like good morning all. Instead of saying good morning all, I can say good morning one and all, and I can say like reverential sir instead of respected sir. These are few words, the terminology like which are to be used in your daily life. And speaking, which is very important. If you can't speak, you can't express there. If you have the knowledge, you can't express or you can't present in a proper manner, it means you are a failure. So please remember, speaking is essential with everyone, like your friends, whoever is aware of communication skills are good. You feel that your mentor's communication skills are good, have a chart every time, have a voice chat or voice calling, then that will be very easy for you to learn something new. So this charting is very important, that is irrespective whether it is mobile through charting or whether it is speaking. And coaching is mandatory. Have the content prepared for interview from the mentor. That content has to be in a hard and soft copy, so please take that soft copy with you and take the printout of it. Once you go there, you can directly go through whatever the content has been given prior to the interview. This material will help you in the interview, because once you do this all workout, then once you go there in the interviewing time, you will be selected. There is no doubt about it, because you have done some workout. Next, practice different. Practice is different. Practicing means involving in these activities in your daily life. This is very important. And the body language, you have to focus on your body language, the way your hand movements are there, the way your lip movements are there, whether you are audible, the way you are expressing your words and everything, and the way you are breathing. Breathing is one thing very important. So, and eye contact, that eye contact is one thing, like you can't look at one person, you have to glare at everyone, you have to give the time, you have to blink in a normal manner, you can't be continuous blinking. So that body language and all, everything will be. And even whether you are shaking your hands, whether you are alert during the time of whole interview, whether your backbone is strong enough to sit in front of them near about 30 to 40 minutes instead of being lazy. And you should have the group discussion with the friends and respective topics only, not like away from the topics. If you start gossiping, that may leads to anywhere, so that may leads to nowhere. So please remember, you have to remember these all things. What exactly the communication skills you can see verbal communication you will have there. Words and one word substitutions are to be used, and non-verbal, that is gesture and actions, expressions and interest, as well as body language will be told. That is the reason why they will have it. Listening skills, take the information and eye contact. This is what exactly sorry, you have to be audible and clear. Speak only once but not loud. Have to be bold and confident, because if you have the content prepared, then obviously you will be confident, and you should be passionate about learning something new. And the written communication, that is making some notes and terminology and the language. This is what written communication has to be there. You should have the notes, and whatever the short notes you can have, you can directly speak in front of the people. And you should be giving reverential or respected that manner, and you should be amicable and friendly and cordial with the people. And you should be open-minded, that is extrovert personality, and share with your mentors only, not with everyone. And you have to take the feedback from each and every individual, whatever they feel. That feedback will help you a lot in progressing you in your life, and you can directly have the relationship with the whether boss or junior. That progress will help you in succeeding your life. So that amicable relationship will give you, that feedback will be given by the respect of the students. That will help you in working upon it. And the time management is one thing you have to remember in your daily life. If you manage your time, you can keep your body healthy, and you will have more opportunities to work, and you will have your relationship in your life will be nice, and the productive and constructive manner you will start doing. That is one thing. you have to be good enough in doing these things. You will be should be live and energetic, and reduce the stress level. So obviously once you have this time management, you can do the yoga and all, and even the work efficiency will be automatically improved. How to manage this time management, like how to manage whatever with the help of this time management. You should have initially a goal setting is to be mandatory. If you don't have the goal setting, you keep on working like a donkey, it's nothing. So you should have the goal setting, stay focused and have persistence. You have to be focused and should have the persistence, irrespective whether you should compare with the bamboo tree. There is a bamboo tree which takes 3 years to go inside and come out. It comes very later, it comes very faster. And make a proper plan. You have to make a good plan. Once you are planned, like you have in black and white, then you can act upon it one by one. Prioritize the work. This is one thing. You have to make to-do list. You have to prioritize the work and you have to finish step by step. You have to self-awareness. This is one thing. You should know your strength, you should know your problems, and you should know how to resolve them. And self-motivating, this is something like you have to see the videos, as well as you have to reward yourself by ordering some food, or you can reward with the whatever the dresses or whatever you feel like. I had done this task, so I have to reward it for my benefit of my health. And schedule and act. You have to make a proper schedule and you have to act upon it. Record keeping, this is one thing mandatory. You have to maintain the records, whatever you are preparing or whatever the check-off list you are doing it, you have to have them and you have to revise them and you have to practice even final during the examination. That will help you a lot. And change the actions, that is in your daily life. You will be studying once, you have to see some videos and you have to write and you have to do some chorus in such a manner that will be free during the daytime. Learn to delegate and forgive others. So this is one thing, like you have a work to do, you have a task to complete. So I'll try to learn to delegate someone. So you can directly ask someone to do their work. That will help you in managing your time. And you forgive others. Don't be arrogant or don't be hostile against someone. You have to forgive. You should have the forgiveness nature. That automatically you will have the maximum friends. And these are the 40 minutes, that 35 minutes video. I hope this will help you a lot. And I suggest you, whatever the questions have been asked in a previous one, you can directly send them by WhatsApp, by typing or whatever you feel like. If you start typing or if you start sending a soft copy, I can work out, I can redraft it, I can send you people. So please type it out, whatever the contents, whatever the questions have been asked, whatever the conversation you will reply over there, that will be corrected by me and that will be updated and incorporated few new words, and I'll send it back to you. Then you can directly have a good communication skills over there. Whatever the content, whatever the words, whatever the words you have used, that will help you in front of the viewer. Feel free to send the Word documents. And I even request the people, whoever is attending, they can have the photograph of the good dress, whatever they have. They feel that, sir, this is the dress I'll be wearing, and will it be okay? You can send the photographs and I'll revert it back. There is nothing in keeping in social. So please go through this. If you think that as a mentor, if you want someone to guide, you feel free to call. So this is my mobile number has been given. If you want something, if you are preparing for any competitive exams, this 20,000 PDF of GK and GS will help you a lot. You can directly call me. Feel free, it's a free of cost. There is no charges. I am an Indian Naval retired, so don't worry about money and all. So these are all different things. At least if you have seen this video, if you liked it, I want you guys to share it to someone. This may change their life. So think before whatever you act. Let me tell you, result is something different. If you get the result, you have to go for the interview. If you don't get pass marks, obviously this preparation will help you somewhere, wherever you go. So don't leave this preparation of interviewing tips and all. You prepare it yourself, emerge in your life. Thank you. I hope this was one of the finest 40 minutes for you. This will help you a lot. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day, girls, and prepare yourself better.